Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be going over the car wash in our backend and showing you all of its features. So go ahead and log into your FlexSuppose account. To the left of the screen, you will see the car wash tab. In the car wash tab, the first thing you will see is the car wash spots you already have set up, or if you want to add more, then this is where you will do it. We're going to go ahead and show you how to add your car wash. So go and click Add a Car Wash. Here you will add the name of the car wash, the company phone number, and the capacity number for the car wash, meaning how many cars fit in this location. Then we have to add the location of the car wash. So you will go ahead and put the state, city or county, and the exact address. You also have the option to use the Find Location, which will let your device locate your exact location. Then go ahead and click Next. The first box is pin length. You get to pick how long you want the pins to be, or if you want them to be alphanumeric. The pin is used to keep track of each specific vehicle and its owner. Then we have the required parameters. Here you can choose what information you want from your customers. You can choose from a plate number, which is mandatory, key, color, brand, and or model. Then we have the required parameters for pin loss. This is in case your customers lose their pin. They can easily retrieve it with their car plate number, email, or phone number. Then we have workflow. Here you are able to customize if you want a traditional flow, which all enabled fields will appear in a window, or a new flow, where each enabled field will appear in a different window. Then we're going to go ahead and click Next. Here we will be customizing our pricing rates. We have our pin loss, which is how much the customer is going to get charged if they lose their pin. And then we have our car wash rates. For example, a regular wash could be $8, and then you can add as many different rates. If you want to add different rates, go ahead and click Add Rates. For example, a power wash could be more expensive, so $15. And lastly, one more could be waxing, which could cost an additional $10. Then we go ahead and click Finish. And there you have it. Your car wash has been successfully made. And then you will be able to see all your car wash locations, the name, the number of spots, and the status of each car wash. You will always be able to see the settings, and if you want to adjust anything, you can click Details. Here you can see all the information you filled out at the beginning, and when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that you can add the brand of the car and update it. Now we're going to go ahead and customize your ticket footer. Here you're able to add any sponsors that you have and their advertisements, as well as a disclaimer. And to your right, you can see a live preview of how your ticket will look. Once you're done editing, you can go ahead and update it. And next, we're going to go to terminals. So click on Assign Terminals. You will see a list of terminals, and you can assign which terminal you want to be used at this car wash. When you click Assign, it's going to ask for a password which only the admin has access to. In the terminal home screen, you can search for specific terminals. And remember, there's no limit on how many terminals you can have for each car wash, so you can have as many terminals as you want. It's also important to remember all our terminals are contactless, so it's smoother and quicker to process payments. Lastly, we're going to go to the Tickets tab. Here you will see all the closed tickets. You will see their check-in time, serial, plate, email, phone number, and status. And you will also have the option to search for a specific ticket in the search bar. And like always, all this information can be downloaded in PDF, XLS, and CSV format. And that's it for our car wash backend. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.